And as the school boards head back to the drawing boards on their back-to-school structure, the city has introduced its plans for after-school programs. Sports and recreation, as well as community leadership programs, will be returning in the fall, but with some restrictions.
We do a lot of workouts in our basement, and sometimes I go for runs and I take shots with my stick and the pucks in the backyard.
The kids have had to find creative ways to enjoy their favorite sports amid the pandemic. But come September, they'll have to decide if they feel safe stepping back into recreational programs.
It's a good idea. It's very important for kids and for adults to be active and to be healthy. And being healthy is a way that you could cope with the pandemic.
Questions about whether schools are safe continues to loom for many parents.
Ventilation, no air conditioning, space and size, so I don't feel safe sending the kids to school.
But for working parents who don't have a choice, there's still the question of what to do with the kids after school.
My kid is 12 years old, so it will not affect us that much, but I could understand that it would be a challenge for parents with younger kids.
The city has announced its after-school programs will be running at 50% capacity with a ratio of 2 staff per 15 children in most cases. Each cohort will stay together and not interact with other groups, and children of all ages will have to wear a mask.
If everyone's wearing a mask, I think it should be safe, but I definitely think it's going to be hard for the kids to be wearing masks.
Meanwhile, the city says modified recreation programs are also set to resume in the fall, running at reduced capacity to allow physical distancing indoors. But some programs won't resume if they require shared equipment. Those visiting city rec centers will have to sign in and complete a health screening, and face coverings must be worn indoors but can be removed for swimming or exercising. And registration for the city's after-school recreation care programs begins next Monday, and for fall recreation programs, September 12th to 16th.